Every story begins with a struggle. Mine became a promise. My name is Eugene de la Cruz, and long before I had a title for it, I understood what education could mean. I grew up with very limited guidance and for a time without a home. But even then, my greatest fear was not of hunger. It was a quiet possibility that education and learning could be removed in my life altogether. From that moment on, I understood that education was more than just an abstract concept. It became something to hold on to, and eventually, something that I needed to protect. During the pandemic, as uncertainty loomed over students and families, I worked alongside teachers, volunteers, and school leaders to organize a nationwide online review session. These efforts were grounded in structure, supported by 20 carefully designed modules across 4 core subjects. When learning shifted to printed modules, it became clear that access alone was not enough, so I focused on continuity. I produced 24 instructional videos in math and science designed to supplement our modules. As more opportunities have been presented to me, our efforts began to resonate beyond individual classrooms. Through a single post that reached over 83,000 people, we were able to raise around 300,000 pesos. This Piso para sa laptop, Piso para sa pangarap provided laptops to 19 students. Today, Project Paghilom at Pagunlad continues to evolve. We are working with NGOs like Kawad Kalinga to strengthen their reading comprehension initiatives through their Project Aral by integrating math and science modules. At the same time, we are partnering with schools such as the Eugenio Lopez Jr. Center for Media Arts Senior High School in Quezon City and Hilongos National Vocational School in Leyte, ensuring that students across different contexts have access to the same materials. This has never been a single project. It has been and will always remain a lifelong commitment to education to ensure that the education that propelled me forward is not merely hoped for by others, but are carefully and deliberately built with them. I am Eugene de la Cruz, and this is Project Paghilom at Pagunlad.